Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. Today we'll see the algebra linear equation word problems. Okay. We shall recall how to solve the linear equation. First question, 3p is equal to minus 15. So we have to find the value of p here, that is the unknown. Okay. Solution, 3p is equal to minus 15. So p is equal to minus 15. Here it is in multiplication. Comes to the denominator. 1 3 is 3. 5 3s are. So here minus. So minus 5. Value of p is minus 5. Okay. This is the answer here. And see the next sum. 2m plus 8 is equal to 10. Okay. Here also you have to find the value of the unknown. That is m here. Solution, 2m plus 8 is equal to 10. Isn't it? So you bring this 8 that side. So 10 minus 8. Here remaining is 2m. Then m is equal to 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 by 2. Then the value of m is 1. Okay, that's the answer. Then third one, 2t plus 14 is equal to 0. Here also you have to find the value of unknown, that is t. 2t plus 14 is equal to 0. This side no values. So you have to bring this side, means it will come as minus 14. Then 2t is equal to minus 14. So t is equal to minus 14 by 2. Isn't it? Yes. Now you cancel. Minus 7. So the value of t is equal to minus 7. Then we shall write the fourth problem. It is 5p by 4 is equal to 10. Here you have to find the value of p equal to 10. You bring this 4 this side, means it will come 10 into 4. So here remaining is 5p. So 40 p is equal to 40 divided by 5. 8 5s are 40. Isn't it? So the value of p is 8. This is the answer. Now we shall see the example 3.38. The denominator of a fraction is 3 more than its numerator. If 2 is added to the numerator and 9 is added to the denominator, the fraction becomes 5 by 6. Find the original fraction. Okay. Let the original fraction is equal to x by y. We will take the original fraction as x by y. Okay. They are given that x by x plus 3. The denominator of a fraction is 3 more than the numerator. Isn't it? Yes. 3 more than the numerator. So x by x plus 3. Okay. Then if 2 is added to the numerator, and 9 is added to the denominator. Okay, and 9 is added to the denominator, which is equal to 5 by 6. Okay. Now we shall cross multiply both. You have to multiply this side by 6 and this side by x plus 3 plus 9. So 6 into x plus 2 is equal to 5 into x plus 3 plus 9. Okay. Now you have to multiply this 5 by each term and remove the bracket. So 5 into x, 5x. 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 9, 45. So 6x plus 12 is equal to 5x plus, you have to add both, means 15 plus 45 is 60. Okay. So 6x plus, here this side plus 12. You bring this plus 12 this side, means it will come minus 12. So you bring the 5x this side. Variables one side and constants one side. 5x minus 5x. 6x minus 5x is equal to 60 minus 2. So 6x minus 5x is 1x. So x is equal to 60 minus 12. 60 minus 12 is meaning 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 48. Okay. So the original fraction is x by x plus 3. Isn't it? I said no. X by x plus 3. So x here is 48. So x plus 3 denominator is x plus 3. So 48 plus 3 is 51. So the original fraction be 48 by 51. This is the answer. Okay. Now we shall see example 3.39. The sum of the digits of two-digit number is 8. If 18 is added to the value of the number, its digits be reversed. So the sum of the digits of two-digit number is 8. So 2-digit number is xy. This is a ones place and this is tens place, isn't it? This is a 2-digit number. We don't know the 2-digit number. We have to find the number. Okay. Then we shall take x as tens place and y as ones place. Now the sum of the 2-digit number is 8. Sum of x plus y is equal to 8. The value of 2-digit number is 10x plus y. At the expanded value. The expanded value of 2-digit number is 10x plus y. Okay. Then now y is equal to, from this equation we are making this equation. Y is equal to 8 minus x. This 2. The next one. If 18 is added to the value, 18 is added to this value, its digit be reversed. Its digit reversed means it will come as yx. Okay. So 10x plus y plus 18 is equal to, here if here it x comes ones place, y comes to the tens place. So 10y plus x. Okay. So now you simplify this. 10x plus y plus 18 is equal to 10y plus x. Now you bring the x this side and y that side. So 10x minus x. Then bring this y this side. 10y minus y plus 18. Now 9x plus 18 equal to 9y. Now here we have two unknown. We have to make this as 1. So here we have changed this equation to y is equal to 8 minus x, isn't it? So substitute y is equal to 8 minus x from here. Yeah. So in the value of y we are substituting 8 minus x. Here already 9x plus 18, 9x plus 8. Now you multiply this 9 inside and remove the bracket. 9 8s are 72 minus 9 into x, 9x. So 9x, you bring this 9x this side, plus 9x, minus 9x plus 9x is equal to 72 minus 18. Okay, now 18x is equal to 54. 72 minus 18. So from 12, 4, 8 goes means. Then here 6 minus 1 is 5. So 18x is equal to 54. So x is equal to 54 by 18. Okay. Now you cancel 18 3s are 54. Isn't it? So 18 1s are 18. 18 3s are 54. Now we got the value of x here. Isn't it? So the y value is, you have to substitute the x value here means we will get the y value. So 8 minus x, that is 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So the y value is 5. Now we have to write the 2-digit number. The 2-digit number is xy, isn't it? So x is 3 and y is 5. Now we got that 2-digit number as 35. Have you understood? Okay. Example 3.40. From home, Rajan rides on his bike at 35 km per hour and reaches his office 5 minutes late. If he had ridden at 50 km per hour, he would have reached his office 4 minutes earlier. How far is his office from his home? Okay. The distance between his home and office is same, isn't it? The speed only differ. He rides 35 kilometer per hour. If he ride in 50 kilometer per hour, he will reach the office 4 minutes late, earlier. Okay. If he ride at 50 kilometer per hour speed, he would reach his office 4 minutes earlier. But he is riding at 35 kilometer per hour speed. So, he is late for 5 minutes. Now, we have to find the distance between his home and office. Okay. Solution. Let us take the distance be x kilometer. We know that time is equal to distance by speed. Okay. Speed 1 is 35 kilometer per hour. Speed 1 is 35 kilometer per hour. Then speed 2 is 50 kilometer per hour. Okay. First, using the speed 35 kilometer per hour, the time taken is equal to x by 35 hour, isn't it? Okay. Distance we don't know, so we are taking x by 35. Time taken x kilometer at 50 kilometer per hour. That is x by 50 hour. Okay. The distance between two timings earlier. Earlier is 4 minutes earlier, isn't it? Minus 5. Late means we are taking that as minus 5. 5 minutes late, no. That you are taking as minus 5. Okay. So, 9 minutes. Minus into minus becomes plus. So, 9 minutes. We are changing the 9 minutes as hour. 9 by 60 hour. So, T1 minus T2 is equal to 9 by 60. Okay. T1 is x by 35 and T2 is x by 50. Now, you have to see the LCM for 35 and 50. Isn't it? So, 35 and 50 is 35, 5 tables. 7 5s are 35, 10 5s are 50. So, 350. LCM is 350. So, 35 into 10, 350. Isn't it? So, you are multiplying numerator and denominator by 10. Here, 7 5s are 35. So, 7 into 50 is 350. So, you are multiplying numerator and denominator by 7 is equal to 9 by 60. Okay. Now, 10x minus 7x by 350 is equal to 9 by 60. 10x minus 7x is equal to 3x by 350 is equal to 9 by 60. Now, you have to cross multiply. Otherwise, you keep 3x here and bring the 350 that side. Then it will come to the numerator. So, 9 into 350 divided by 60. Okay. Now, 0, 0 gets cancelled. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So, 3 into 35 by 2 we have. Okay. Before that, we shall cancel 2 and 35. So, 1 times, then remainder 1. 7 times 14, remainder 1. Keep point, once add 0. 5 2s are 10. So, 17.5. Okay, multiply. Now, U3 comes this side. Sorry, x is equal to 17.5. So, answer, the distance to his office, x is equal to 17.5 kilometer. We have taken the distance as x kilometer, isn't it? So, the distance to his office and his home is 17.5 kilometer. Then exercise 3.7. 8th sum. A number consists of 2 digits whose sum is 9. If 27 is subtracted from the original number, its digits are interchanged. Find the original number. We have seen this sum, the same sum in example, isn't it? Okay, we shall do. Solution. The 2-digit number is xy. This is the ones place, y is in ones place and x is in tens place. Okay, x plus y. The sum of 2 digits is 9. X plus y is equal to 9. Then you take that first equation as y is equal to 9 minus x. So the expanded value is 10x plus y. So 27 is subtracted from the original number. The digits are interchanged. So 10x plus y minus 27. 27 is subtracted from the original number. The digits are reversed. Reversed means xy comes as yx. Now the x is in ones place. Then y is in tens place. Okay. So 10x plus y minus 27 is equal to 10y plus x. Okay. Now 10x, bring the x this side means minus x. Minus 27 is equal to 10y. This y comes this side means minus y. Now 10x minus x is 9x minus 9y. You bring this 9y, this side means it will come to positive, is equal to 27. Now you substitute in the place of y as y is equal to 9 minus x. Okay. So 9x minus 9 into 9 minus x is equal to 27. Now 9x minus 9 nines are 81 plus 9x is equal to 27. 9x and 9x becomes 18x is equal to 27 plus 81. So 18x is equal to 27 plus 81. So 8 plus 2, 10. So 18x is equal to 108. Okay. Now keep x here and bring the 18 that side. It will come to the denominator, isn't it? So 108 by 18. So if you don't know means you divide and see 108 divided by 18. See 18 ones are, 2s are, 3s are. You write and see and say. Then is 6 times. 8 6 are 48, 8, remainder 4. 8 1, 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So x is equal to 6. Yeah. Now otherwise you cancel by 9 table. 9 ones, 9 2s are 18, isn't it? 9 2s are 18. Here 1 9 is 9, remainder 1 18, 2 times. Okay, 12 by 2. Now again you cancel. 1 times, 6 times. Okay. X is equal to 6. Now we need the y value. Y is equal to 9 minus x we know. So 9 minus x is equal to 9 minus 6. Y is equal to 3. Now we found the x and y value. So the 2-digit number is xy, isn't it? The 2-digit number is xy. 6 x for x and 3 for y. So 63 is the 2-digit number. Okay. Then the 9th problem. The denominator of a fraction exceeds its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, we get 3 by 2. Find the original fraction. We have seen in example problem like the same sum. Solution. Let the fraction be. We'll take the fraction as x by y. Okay. In the question, they have said that the denominator of a fraction exceeds its numerator by 8. So, if the numerator is x, the denominator is x plus 8. Okay. This is the original fraction. Okay. That only they asked this value. This will find the original fraction. Okay. Let the fraction be x by y, that is x by x plus 8. Okay. After that, they said if the numerator is increased by increased by 17. So x plus 17. Using this, we are adding 17 with the numerator. And the denominator is decreased. Denominator is decreased by 1. So minus 1. Okay, is equal to, the fraction is 3 by 2. Okay. Now you solve x plus 17. Here x plus 8 minus 1 is 7 plus 7. Now cross multiply both. 2 into x plus 17 is equal to 3 into x plus 7. Okay. Now you remove the bracket by multiplying 2 with each term inside. So 2x plus 34. 17 2s are 34 is equal to 3 into x plus 7 3s are 21. So 3x plus 21. Now bring the constants on side and variables on side. Here 34 is the bigger number. 21 is smaller. So you bring this side. 34 minus 21 is equal to, here 3x minus 2x. Okay. So 34 minus 21. 34 minus 21 is 13. Isn't it? So 3x minus 2x is 1x. So x is equal to 13. So x plus 8 is equal to, this is a denominator, no? X is numerator. Okay. Denominator is x plus 8 is equal to 21. So therefore the original fraction is equal to x by x plus 8, isn't it? So x by x plus 8 is 13 by 21. Thank you. Have a nice day.